Hello everybody. Today we got a surprise delivery. UPS brought us a box. It's from Amazon. It is items off of Booger Roux's Amazon wish list. See the links in the description. Booger Roux is here. He's checking out the camera. It is from a friend of my wife on Parlor, but we don't know who. But it's stuff for Booger Roux off of his Amazon wish list. And he is excited. Ready to jump in the box and see what we got. What is it, Booger Roux? Got some Sheba. Look at that. All right. Sheba. Looky here. Check it out, Roux. You know what this is? I think this is a wand toy. Oh, check it out. It's a telescoping wand toy. It like keeps going and going. Well, I made a mess, didn't I? There we go. There's two wands. And Roux's already, he wants to play. He loves chasing these feather toys. Don't you, Roux? We'll save this for a little. Oh, look, there's even more stuff in here. More than just feathers. Look at Roux. Get it, Roux. What kind of creatures are these? And that one is stuck in the bag. Here we go. Look at there, we got a tunnel. I wonder if these can be tied together. There's another one of these in there. Look at that. Alright. And then there is another box. Let's get some of these things out of here. Roux, you want to look at those? Come down here in the camera. Here's some of these thank you notes. We'll get a thank you through the app. So thank you. We're going to send through the Amazon the thank you. You know who you are. Hopefully you're watching our video. For everyone out there watching the video, make sure that you like it, share, and subscribe to our channel. Oh, check it out, Roux. You got your hammock.
I've used that one of those in about 3 years.
Wow. How cool is that, Roux? I like all of it. Give me a feather to play with. Very cool. I don't know if you can see him on the camera, but he's got one of those toys. He's growling. That's Booger Roux. Well, this will take a minute to put together. After I get it together, I'll snap a picture and include it at the end of the video. It doesn't look to be too hard, but it's going to take a minute to do. I don't want to bore you with all the details, so we'll just get a picture in just a minute. So, thank you again so much. Y'all are so kind to send all this stuff to Booger Roux and his friends. We'll catch you next time.